Alright, foldable phone fans, buckle up, because the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is stirring up some drama behind the scenes. The upcoming flip phone from Samsung has just popped up in the rumor mill again, and this time, it's all about what processor it's going to ship with. And spoiler alert, things aren't looking too great for Samsung's in-house Exynos chip. For a while now, rumors have been pointing toward the Galaxy Z Flip 7 being powered by the Exynos 2500, Samsung's shiny new next-gen processor. It's supposed to be the brand's big comeback in the chip game, especially after a few rocky years with past Exynos models. Earlier this month, we even heard that Samsung was getting ready to start mass production of the Z Flip 7 as early as next month, with the Exynos 2500 leading the charge. But now things might be heading in a different direction. According to a fresh tweet from well-known and usually reliable tipster Panda Flash Pro, Samsung is facing some challenges with the Exynos 2500. While the chip itself isn't necessarily out of the picture, it seems like the Galaxy Z Flip 7 has been performing much better when running on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite Edition. That's the same powerhouse chip that's expected to be at the heart of the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, Samsung's flagship lineup. Here's where it gets interesting. Internal testing is already done, and the Z Flip 7 has passed every single test, but only when equipped with the Snapdragon chip. This includes critical stuff like network connectivity tests, which are super important for ensuring stable cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth performance. If you read between the lines, this could mean that the Exynos version either isn't ready for prime time yet or simply isn't performing up to Samsung's high standards. And with the Snapdragon 8 Elite already proving to be a reliable, high-performing option, it's starting to look like Samsung might just stick with what works. Of course, nothing is confirmed yet. Samsung's been known to shake things up at the last minute. But if this leak is on the money, we might see the Galaxy Z Flip 7 launch exclusively with Snapdragon power, at least in some regions. That wouldn't be too surprising, since Samsung often splits chipsets by market anyway, Snapdragon for the US, Exynos for Europe, and others. Either way, one thing's clear. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be a serious player in the foldable space, and we're definitely keeping our eyes on this one. So, what's your take on this? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.